So in this video we will color or texture this lamp. I end up using color because I'm more into editing than 3D. I'm learning 3D, and before we do that, I have a problem that's been bugging me for a while, and this is that this pot is rather too round. My sub-D is working very good, and that is a problem because you can see these lines are very prominent over here, but mine is like, I don't know about you, but mine is like this. And I tried using the simple version, it looks good, but then it introduces certain new problems, like, you know, we lose our shape. So again, that doesn't do it for us. So let's put it back to Catmull Clark, and let's use another way. That would be going to edit mode. We will harden these edges by using this mean crease option. If you press N on your keyboard, this transform menu will open. This mean crease, if you put it to 1, you can see this particular loop or loop of edge is red, and you will also further notice that when we go into object mode, this part is now tightened, right? Really, it's not smooth at all. It's hardened. So that is what we want. This setting, what it does is it stops our smoothing process, that the subdivision surface, it will stop here, and this edge will be, its hardness will be preserved, while our sub-D will work everywhere else except for this part. So select this one and make it 1, and then this one and this one, shift select, shift alt select, and shortcut key for this same thing is shift E. If I do this, you can see the same thing has happened. So I can now put it away. And one more thing that I want to do is in X-ray mode, I think it's X-ray mode, yes, GZ, and let's select these and just scale it a little. I think now I am happy with it, and no, I'm not happy with it. Let's select these two and just something like this. Now I'm happy with it. So let's move on to our lamp, and let's look at our lamp. This is just a black color, so we will just create a new material and make it black. So lamp top part black, BK. I'm writing BK, that way I will remember it's black. So let's make it black. If I move my slider completely like this will give us our black color. Roughness, let's leave everything to default for the time being, and let's move on to this part. We want this to be gold. So how can we do that? Let's create another material and we will rename it to gold, and let me get the hex code for gold. So this is the hex code for gold, FFD 700. Paste it over here, and just it will give us something like this. And for metallic objects, this slider needs to be 1, and now we can decide how smooth or shiny we want it to be. So if I do this, you can see, let's make it something like this, and I do not want this to be this yellow. So this slider, if I move it towards the middle, it will become less and less. It will become lighter. So let's put it like this, something like this. So I think we have, for the time being, something that I like. So let's quickly transfer the same color to other objects like this one and this one. Select this, and select this, and this one too. and then select our gold color last, and then press Ctrl L, link materials. This will put our gold color to all of these, and this one too, and from here we will copy our gold color, this one too. While we are at it, Ctrl L, link materials, and yes, so for this one, let's okay, so let's select this loop in face select mode. Oh yeah, this loop and this loop. Add a new material and select our lamp black part, and it won't automatically assign black color to these faces until we tell Blender that we want to assign black to these faces. So when I press assign, everything will be as we want it. So let me see if it is visible. No, it's not. So because if you're having the same problem that I am, like this gold is bleeding onto this black color, so if I add another loop over here, this will tighten this and we can get our black color over here. And same way, I will have to add one loop and then bevel it just like that. It should give me clean blacks, and I want to make these faces black too, these ones, so I will just assign black here too. So I think we have something, and then I will have to add one more loop over here. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, it looks okay. And yeah, I think we need to add these ones over here too if you want to. This is personal preference. Let's select this loop and now press Ctrl plus plus and one more plus. I think I can apply black to these two. So add another material slot and then give these two black color. I think I'm okay with it. And so okay, we have an issue over here. Since we join these together, these ones are again treated as a single object. Let's isolate these, and first of all add our lamp material to this completely, and then we need to see, okay, so we need to add another material. We will give this new material and we will rename it chrome. Chrome, yes. So let's in edit mode select these. Okay, face select mode, select this, okay, this and this and this, and press Ctrl L. This will select all the linked pieces. You can see they are all selected. Select our chrome material and press assign and reduce the roughness to something like 0.1. And now all we need to do is, okay, so these bottom ones, let's make these chrome 2 and add one loop here, so that we have something like this. I think I forgot to add these things. I don't remember. Where is annotation? Is there annotation over here too? Nope. These planes, so we can quickly add these just like that. Sorry, in edit mode, select this and cursor to selected. Add a plane. Okay, it's too big. Let's do this in I'm in solid viewport for the time being, so that computer does not lag too much, and Control A up. Sorry, where is my okay, so I accidentally added this in edit mode, so let me delete it and let me add another plane like this and reduce its size in edit mode. SX simple plane will do. We are not going for anything special. SY, I think it should work, or let's undo it. SX and RX, RZ, RX, something like this, and G, where is it? Control. So this is becoming harder and harder. So how do we fix it? Let's select everything and isolate it so that we can work in a better environment. And now I'm in side view. R, zoom it, RZ, GZ, G, GX. No, it's not going. It's not moving. GY. Oh yeah. GY. GZ. I think it looks okay. And let's add solidify modifier 0.006 or 0.002 even thickness, and fill only rim. So I think that is okay. We are not creating these holes. I think there are holes over there. And then in top view, select this 3D cursor. Yeah, transfer point, pivot point would be this, and select this. Shift S cursor to select it. Select our whatever it is, and if we move it, now you can see we can rotate it like this. Right click to cancel it. Shift E, right click to again cancel it. R, put it somewhere like this. Shift E, R, and put it somewhere like this. So I think it works. Yeah. So I'm happy with it. Let's come back. Switch to material preview. And yes, assign these the same material, chrome material. This one and this one too. And select this one, Control L, link, materials. Okay, so now all we need to do is copy the same material to these two also. So let's, either you can delete these two and again Shift D and move these over here. I think that would be easier. So let's do that quickly. Let's select everything. And then again go into our isolation mode. Right, and let's deselect it. Yeah, now we are in isolation mode. So yeah, what we can do is just delete these and just copy it. Since we already have our 3D cursor over here, and our pivot point is also 3D cursor, so all we need to do is same drill, Shift D and R, make sure it's somewhere over here, and Shift D, R, and make sure it's over here. So there we go. We have our lamp, and yeah, so Control S and save.